Wait, this is Cristiano Ronaldo. Wait, oh my freaking God. Oh my God. This is Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh my God.
Oh yeah, we about to react to this one. How long it took Christian... I don't know, for some reason I can't pronounce the guy name right. Let's get it right. Cristiano Ronaldo. How long it took for him to pass Speed. I think he's gonna pass Speed. This video is about, let me see, how long is this video? This video is about 5 days old. I'm reacting to it, but at the point Speed was reacting to this video, he just found out that Ronaldo basically just created a YouTube channel, and he couldn't believe it because right 11 hours after he created the channel, he was already at 10 million subs. So he's basically reacting to it. Let's go ahead and he's reacting to like what's going on basically. Let's go ahead and press play and see.
Oh my God! Ronaldo just made a YouTube channel? Ronaldo made a YouTube channel? Oh my God! Oh my God! He about to beat my subs!
Yeah. Just in 11 hours, he was already at 10 mil. So he's definitely gonna pass Speed. I think Speed, how many subs Speed have? Yeah, this channel have 11 million. Oh yeah, he already passed it. I think Speed have multiple channels. I'm not sure. If he doesn't, that's his only channel, then Ronaldo probably passed his channel within a day. Yeah, within a day, Ronaldo probably beat the subscriber count on Speed channel.
He about to beat all of my subs. He just made a YouTube channel.
What's up, guys? I have a big surprise for you. I have a new YouTube channel.
Yeah. Imagine the strategy behind this whole thing, because that is crazy. That is crazy. I think 10 million in 11 hours. I think that's one of YouTube records. I think I have to double check and see, but it's a lot of strategy, a lot of marketing that went behind it to let everybody know, hey, it's up, go subscribe and get those numbers up. And it was a success. It was a success.
Can we collab? Can we collab? Can we collab? Can we collab? Can we collab?
You are Cristiano.
Sorry.
Subscribe. You are Cristiano.
Subscribe. Oh my God, can I collab? What is his YouTube channel?
Action.
Oh my God, my baby made a YouTube channel. My baby made it.
And Speed is one of Ronaldo's biggest fans. Like the things this guy go above and beyond for Ronaldo basically. For some reason I just can't pronounce the name right. I'm tripping. But yeah, but that's dope. Let's continue and see.
A YouTube channel. He already got, oh bro, hold on, wait, when did he post this? He posted this at 6 a.m. He almost got a million subscribers in 4 hours, bro. He almost got a million subscribers in 4 hours, dog. He actually has a YouTube channel. No, I gotta get that collab. I have to get that collab. Oh
yeah, I think that's when let's rewind this a bit. How long?
I have to get a million subscribers in 4 hours.
At the time, the video, the channel had 18 is that 18 or 16
hours, dog?
Hold up, give me 1 second. Let me double check. Let me make this a little bigger. Yeah, at the time the channel had 18 videos. At the time the channel had 18 videos, and he was almost at a mil in about 4 hours. So I know for a fact, I just did a video stating how he reached 10 millions in 11 hours. So within the first 4 hours, he was already about to attack a mil, which is amazing.
He actually has a YouTube channel. No, I gotta get that collab. I have to get that collab. Oh, God, I'm about to come. I have to get that collab, y'all. I have to get this collab. Oh. Action. No. Oh, my God. Y'all don't know how big this is, bro. Y'all don't know how big this is.
And if Speed could get a collab on his channel, on Ronaldo channel, that's going to be big for Speed. That's going to be amazing. That's like a new audience, you know? That's going to be big for him.
Bro, because this means Ronaldo is starting to, like, branch out now, bro. Y'all don't get how big this is, bro. Y'all don't get how big this is, bro. Because he's actually starting to branch out, bro. And he's going to start to do other stuff, bro. This is my chance, bro. Everybody subscribe, bro. Y'all don't get how big this is, bro. Bro, he made this channel in 1 hour and he almost has 1 million subscribers. Hey, everybody subscribe to Ronaldo, bro. Everybody.
All right, we not going to stay. Let's try to speed up a bit. I'm going to like speed up to the content. I don't want it to be dragged on.
Copyrighted all his videos, bro. Chat, here he comes, chat. Ronaldo about to hit 1 million subscribers already. He about to hit 1 million. He about to hit 1 million, chat. He's about to hit it.
That is crazy. While he's on live, he's refreshing, and he was close to it. Like right now, I think what I'm seeing is 961,000. So let's see what's up.
1 million subscribers already. Spin up the W's. Oh my God, here it goes. 3. Oh my God, he's about to hit it. 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 He's about to. Nah. When I refresh, he's about to hit 1 million.
Boom, 1 million. 1 million.
Ah! Sweet! He just hit 1 million subscribers.
We won't drag this video. That is it. That is amazing. I'm gonna do more reactions to different videos on what's going on with Ronaldo. So let's stop this here. Talk to you guys soon.